What's the meaning of caveat? Caveat. Caveat.
Caveat. Caveat. Caveat means a warning or caution about a particular situation or issue that should be taken into consideration before making a decision. It is essentially a sort of legal or formal notification of potential problems or risks. The word often appears in contracts or agreements to alert parties of certain limitations or conditions. By issuing a caveat, the issuer is protecting themselves from any negative consequences that may arise if the warning is not heeded. In summary, a caveat is a way of flagging potential risks or issues so that people can make informed decisions.